Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, we're going to make something very Mediterranean. It's typical where I come from, South Italy, and easy and super nice and tasty. It's just chicken breast with some spicy, with some olives, garlic, tomatoes. We're gonna use some white wine capers, oregano, and on the top in the end I will put some chili, but it's not obligatory. You know, the chicken breast is the part of the chicken is always is a little bit boring, you know, it's a little bit difficult to cook, but this is very quickly and nice. The pot is already on. The fire we can put a nice olive oil. This garlic is a little bigger for me. I just cut in two, and later when it's brown, when it starts browning, we take it out from the pot. Now, I asked the butcher just to butterfry a breast. It's not too thick in the pan. This guy is gonna cook around 3 minutes per side, not more. In the same time now, I will cut the tomato. I like that. If someone don't like big like that, can do in 4 or in 3. Up to you guys. Okay, this is just up to you. Okay, 5-6 tomatoes, and when the chicken starts browning a little bit, couple minutes per side, I'll show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, when it's like that, it's time to do this. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. When the garlic is like this, just take it out. Now is the time to add some wine, but I'm scared sometimes we have a big flame. Hello, you move from there, wait just a second, cool down a little bit, and wine in. You see? Now, again, on. We wait this wine dissolve a little bit, gonna be like creamy, and we're gonna start up this stuff here, because this, basically in 2 minutes, everything is done. Okay? I show you when it's time to add all these ingredients. 1.5 minutes gone. You know, when you have this, it's time we stir our chicken breast. If you notice, guys, I didn't use no salt, no pepper, because I wanna use the capers, olives, they quite salty, but we're gonna add a little bit. Now is the time for the capers. I like capers. Okay? Put inside tomatoes, a nice touch of oregano. Okay, there. Take 4. Oh yeah. Okay. Now cook olive. I like a lot of it. I use some black, green, brown. Use everything you like. Inside, everything. Yeah. It's almost done, guys. Yeah. Look like something very Mediterranean. This called pollo alla Mediterranea, Mediterranean chicken. You know, it's done, guys. Now another second, okay, I leave there to cook, and I'm not going to cut this chili because this is not obligatory. But on the top, in the end, raw like that, this is absolutely delicious. Okay, okay, guys. Gas off. This, guys. Now later I make a nice presentation for the nice picture, but we have to try it. I recommend you to try first, and later maybe use the salt and pepper. Okay. Okay. Super soft. This, and this. Gonna be very hot, I know, but I have to. Spot on. Very, very nice. Yes, need a little touch of salt. It's absolutely delicious. Guys, I don't want to say anything else. The pollo, the chicken alla Mediterranean chicken is this, easy, under 10 minutes. Is this, guys. If you like, finger up and follow us. Bye, ciao ciao.